Hello friends, welcome back in my new blog. Today is Sunday. Sunday means a day of fun day. Why fun? Because I am not a school going boy, but you all know that I am doing internship and every day I have to go in a far school for teaching in early morning. So in a week, this is the day only I get some time. I get some time for relax and refreshing. And it's evening time. It's around 3 3:30 right now. It's afternoon, not evening, afternoon time, and I have decided to go a place, and I'm not gonna to tell you the name of the place right now. You have to watch the whole blog. Before that I have to get ready, so now I'm going to pause this video. Okay, so here you can see I am ready, and now see my look, how is you can comment in the comment box. And as I am told you that I am going to a place which is 5 kilometers far from my house, and I am going to cover the distance through my bike. Here is my bike, let me show you. This is my bike. So again I am gonna to stop or pause this video. Let meet when I reach there. Okay, now we have reached in the place, and I reach in my destination. I'm going to enter in the, this is the entrance. Okay, let's follow me. I am not alone, I am come with my cousin brother. Here you can see. Listen, we have to write down the name here. Here you can see. Wait just a minute. So our work is done here. So we are going inside. Here you can see. Here you can see. This is basically, first is this is a tourist spot, and second thing is a historical spots. I don't have any knowledge about the place, but I know that this is basically a three Buddha stupa there. Okay, and this three Buddha stupa was built during Pala dynasty. I don't have any deep knowledge about the place. Okay, now we will go and look carefully how they build all these things. Here you can see the bricks. Here you can see the bricks. This is totally a difference from the current bricks we have. I think it is visible. My my cousin brother already taking poses for. You want to take selfie? Okay. So now I gonna to pose for some time for the video, and I will take some selfie. So friends, here you can see how beautifully they built the stup, the Buddha stup. And I am thinking that how they joined these bricks. That time there is no cement, so it still confused me that this type of architect was exist that time. And the area is covered by nature. Here you can see it's a garden, beautiful garden. Now we have come in the opposite sides. There is also have two stupa. Here you can see this one here, and the another one is here. Okay, here you can see. Okay, let's go near to the stupa. Let's go. I think all these things written here. There is no time to read all these things. I'm gonna to skip all these things right now. We just go to the near of the stupa. Let's go. Do you want to take selfie? Again, my cousin brother is what? Want to take selfie? Okay, now again I gonna to pause the video for some time. Okay. Okay, now we are going to near of the another stupa. Here you can see. Let's take a closer look of the stupa. I think you all are enjoying to watching this video. Here you can see. Let me show you a closer look of all the bricks and all about the monuments. Okay, Wait just a minute. I can't see any window or like a door here. I don't know where is it and what actually have inside. I don't have any knowledge. Okay, here you can see. Everything is all right. So after walking for the long time, I am feeling tired, so we are taking rest here. How is the Josh? Huh? What are you feeling today? Hmm? Say something. Again, he can't understand anything English. Okay. So it's getting dark around and I have to go back my home and I am going to leave the place right now. So this is all about today. Now I am going to leave the place and please let me know in the comment box how was the vlog of today. Okay, so till today keep smiling, keep healthy and let's meet in the next video.